How to add friends in the Bereal. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to add friends on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home page. Now to add friends, simply tap on to friends option at the bottom. Right here, select it. Then you will find something like this on your friends section. Now to add friends, you can simply invite them. Tap on to invite friends right here and tap on to copy link right here. And after copying the link, you can simply send them to the person that you want to add as a friend. Or you can tap on to the search bar and type the name of the person just like this. And you can simply add them. And here you can find the person. Now simply tap on to add just like this. And now you can see they are added, and after they accept your request, guys will be friends on the Bereal app. And that's it. This is how you can add friends in the Bereal application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.